Okay, so we're doing things a bit different today. I got some music in the background, and yeah, we're checking out Vapi. So Vapi.ai, you can make a free account, and they have this nice button here that you can use to debug, which is a fucking blessing. Thanks Vapi, and it's basically a competitor to Bland.ai, but you can use Grok and all these fucking other models. So I'm gonna be working with Mixtral today. And then for the transcriber, oh yeah, and I forgot to say, because I had a hard day, I got a little beer. Yeah, we're doing it chill today. So yeah, the model for the transcriber, I'm just gonna pick Nova 2. Oh, we got more options. I guess custom, you can fine tune it or something, but let's take the regular one. Excuse me. So advanced, retrieving context, function calling, and end of call reports. So yeah, I got ahead and took the nano.bot project. And we're gonna do something bland. Oh no, not bland, something Vapi. I'm going to basically take all this and all of this. Oh no! Oh no! What did we do? And then I'm gonna change this. Boop, 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 boop. Vapi callback. And then we don't need this thing anymore. We can keep that. And let's keep it at that for now. So yeah, let's add it to the Git repo. So what's the purpose of this bot? We're gonna have it on the website that somebody else is building, and it's gonna be my business site. Yeah guys, finally started a business, but more on a more clickbaity video later. Okay, so git pull up, and now Docker. Goddamn, where are you, Docker? Let's see what comes back. So endpoint API .nano.bot slash, what do we call it? What do we call it? Vapi endpoint or something. Vapi callback. Vapi callback. Let's see if that URL is correct. Yeah, that's correct. But we're going to need the HTTPS. Okay. Yeah, let's do that later. We're not really secure. So what do we want? Transcripts hang. We want the transcript. Well, let's just get everything. Voicemail message. What is it? This is ice tea. Get to the point. Okay. What are we gonna say? end call message, goodbye. I guess that's all not interesting. So now for the prompt, so you have a first message and then a system prompt. So for the first message I made, hey, I'm Nanobot, your voice assistant for GPT builds, how can I help you today? So I'm using Mixtral with a temperature of 0. I like to roll with 0 temperatures to make it predictable. So for the voice I have used Emma from Azure because I liked her voice. So yeah, let's have a listen to that sweet Emma voice. Shit.
Hi, I'm Nanobot, your voice assistant for GPT builds. How can I help you today?
Hey Nanobot, I would like to have a chatbot for my website. Could you help me?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you with that. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to ask you a few questions to better understand your needs.
Yeah, sure,
One,
no problem.
can you provide a brief overview of your company? Great. Let's start with the first question. 1. Company overview and objective. Can you provide a brief overview of your company and describe what you aim to achieve with AI development or consulting services? Please take your time. I'm here and listening carefully.
Okay, so what do I need? I basically need to have a way to spend less time and make more money, keep the customers engaged, all that jazz.
I see. It sounds like you're interested in improving efficiency and increasing revenue through AI development. More specifically, you'd like to automate certain tasks. Understood. Now let's move on to the second question.
But how can you guys help me?
I apologize for the confusion. Let me rephrase that. 2. Project scope and specific AI interest. What specific AI solution are you interested in, and what problem are you looking to solve with it? For instance, you mentioned a website chatbot. Can you tell me more about the tasks you'd like this chatbot to automate and the specific problems you'd like it to solve? 1. Budget and timeline. What is your budget range for this project, and do you have a specific timeline or deadline in mind? 1. Data availability. What type of data do you have available for this project, and is it structured or unstructured?
Okay, so we're gonna have to, I guess Grok Mixtral might not be smart enough for this, or my prompt is just shit. But let's see what came back. Holy fuck. So it gives back a message object. So okay, we're gonna be handling messages. Status update, status ended, status in progress, and then it gives you the system prompt. Okay, so role system content. Okay, so we can just ignore that message and let's see, JSON data. I gotta check out another project, how I did it, because I'm actually, believe it or not, a freaking noob at Python. Yeah, I like Rust, I'm on noob Rust as well, but still, I got more insight into it. But it's been a while now since I've been doing Python lately, so yeah, whatever. So we need to check if it is, so the messages. So does it always contain a message? I'm not sure. Let's not assume. I assume they did it, that it always has a message. I would like to pretty print that. Yeah, let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT. Alright, it's that simple. So I guess we don't need Twilio anymore. Import. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering what project this is, you can look at my video how to set up a webhook with LangChain or something. and then you can just download this out of the box and set it up on your server. So import JSON. It's already becoming spaghetti. Great. I haven't even written any code yet. So let's do this. Yeah. So add it to Git. Damn, this is getting annoying. But my commits are gonna be through the roof, man. Shit, I need to do some. Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to commit anyway. I was thinking CI/CD, but that's way above my pay grade, man. Shit. Git commit -m pretty print. Yeah, push my password, my super secret password, and stop the container. That's Control-C, by the way. There we go. And let's update the prompt first, because we're gonna need to do this anyway, and it's costing us tokens all the time. So yeah, URM AI voice bot for GPT builds AI. Your job is to capture information from the customer according to the questionnaire. Clarity and precision. So I copied this from another template from Vapi. Yep. But how do I get it to wait for does it have a history? I don't know how it works on the back end. Let's check advanced. Transcriber. Yeah, no, we don't need that shit. So I'm going to tell it to add something that I do often. Wait for a customer answer before moving on to the next question. I don't know if that's gonna help, but we can try. Pum, pum, pum.
Hi, I'm Nanobot, your voice assistant for GPT builds. How can I help you today?
Hi Nanobot, I'm wondering what you can do for me and why you are here. What the hell is this?
Hello. I'm here to assist you with any questions or concerns you have about AI consulting and development services. I can help capture information about your company and your AI project needs. This will help us determine how we can best assist you. To start, could you provide a brief overview of your company and describe what you aim to achieve with AI development or consulting services?
So I'm a plumber and I need some assistance with my lead verification, and the problem is that I'm on the job and I need somebody to pick up the phone for me, but I don't want to pay an employee.
I see. So you're looking for an AI solution to help with lead verification and phone answering for your plumbing business as a cost-effective alternative to hiring an employee. To better understand your needs, I have a few more questions. 1. What specific AI solution are you interested in, and what problem are you looking to solve with it? 2. What is your budget range for this project, and do you have a specific timeline or deadline in mind? 3. Do you have any data available for this project, and if so, what type of data is?
Okay, so it doesn't wait for a customer answer before moving on to the next question. So I guess Grok will be out of the race. Let's try GPT4 Turbo. I hope they did the update, because I was running into an error like GPT models, OpenAI. So the new model came out, GPT4 Turbo, and yeah, if you got still this, it's gonna bug out. You need this one. So yeah, let's see what it gives. But first let's check in what came in. Okay, that's much better. That's much better. So okay, that's quite interesting. Wow, this is way better than Bland, guys. They still got a bunch of bugs in the software, but I can see the potential. They made a better base. And I'm not sponsored by them. I did ask them for some credits and they're gonna give it to me so I can put it on my website. Fucking sweet. So is it sponsored? Is it not sponsored? Who knows? Let's have a sip. I was gonna make the video anyway, but don't tell them. Don't tell them. Okay, let's take a little cigarette break and then we're moving on. I want to do some thinking because it's really hard talking and thinking at the same time. So it's probably always gonna come in as a message, hey? Or I can just cut. No worries. So that's message, and here's another. So no, it doesn't come in as a message. Messages and message. End of call report type. So I need to. I have this other project, but that has this all handled, but I'm not allowed to show it. Cut. We cut later. Let's go in one go. Just push through it. Yeah, alcohol and cigarettes, guys. Alcohol and cigarettes. Fucking A, isn't it? I quit vaping. The cool thing is we can put all customers on one server. Well, one load balanced fucking Kubernetes cluster. No, just one server. With a load balancer for sure. But anyway, seems like it's always in a message. So type Let me think. Match. We have match in Python. Okay, sweet. Match. JSON data message, and then type. I don't know if that's gonna work like that. Let me just gotta move fast, right? Get the type in a match. Yeah, you don't need to print it, man. Shit. In my eye, the smoke was in my eye. Get message type, match data. Match data. Yeah, JSON data case. Bro, I don't like how that looks at all. I don't like how that looks. Data message type. Okay, that looks better. As I said, Python noob, guys. Let's accept this answer. I don't need a web call yet. So web call, what's the web call? Type status update. It doesn't have a web call. GPT is fucking with me, or I'm just dumb. So if it's a status update, now I gotta get the status, and if it's ended, I gotta do something. Yeah, this is my first look at this shit, guys. And I had a whole day of fucking debugging shit. And that reason. Oh, it's got a lot of data, man. Ah, the end of call reports. That's what you need, that's what you need. So it already prints, so that's good. What's the unknown? What the fuck is the unknown? Let's ask it. He's fucking with me again, I can feel it, man. This thing. Okay, so it's just gonna go into the fallback when it doesn't find a message, but I guess it will always find a message. Unless some crazy hackers get into my server. Shit. Don't do it, guys, don't do it. So next thing, end of call report. So type Yeah, we can leave that one. Case end of call report. And then we can just say print. Let's try to get the transcript. So message JSON data gets tap JSON data get message get fucking hell. Get is that gonna be correct? Transcript. So comma unknown. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, it's gonna be really fucking boring to debug, man. Voice bots, you gotta talk to it the whole time. I should make a tester for talking. One voice bot talks to another to test the other voice bot. That would be interesting. Vapi, here's an ID to level up. Docker. Let's see. And this time we are using GPT4.
Hi, I'm Nanobot, your voice assistant for GPT builds. How can I help you today?
So I'm looking for a bot for my website.
That's great. I can certainly help you with that. To better understand your needs, I have a few questions. Let's start with the first one. Can you provide a brief overview of your company and describe what you aim to achieve with AI development or consulting services?
Alright, you're waiting for my answer. You're better than Mixtral, I got to say. But
Here and listening carefully. Yes, I'm here and listening carefully. Could you please provide a brief overview of your company and describe what you aim to achieve with AI development or consulting services?
yeah, so I run a plumbing service and I need a voice bot to pick up the phone for me when I'm on the job. I don't have the money for an assistant, so I want this to be as cost effective as possible.
Thank you for sharing that. It sounds like you're looking for an AI solution to help manage calls efficiently while you're busy on the job, which is a smart and cost-effective approach.
Exactly.
Let's move on to
Sorry for interrupting you, but I'm just an asshole like that.
No problem at all. I'm here to assist you. Let's proceed with the next question. What specific AI solution are you interested in, and what problem are you looking to solve with it?
So yeah, I just told you it's a voice bot on the phone.
Got it, a voice bot for handling phone calls. This will help ensure you don't miss important calls while you're on the job. Moving on to the next question. What is your budget range for this project, and do you have a specific timeline or deadline in mind?
So my budget is pretty small since I'm self-employed, so it's about 1,500 euros. And the timeline is, it's pretty lenient because I have a low budget.
Thank you for sharing your budget and timeline. We'll certainly take that into account when proposing a solution. Now, regarding the data for this project, what type of data do you have available, and is it structured or unstructured?
What do you mean data? I have no data whatsoever. I thought that was your job.
I apologize for any confusion. In the context of AI, data often refers to the information that the AI system will use to learn and make decisions. For a voice bot, this could include things like common questions or requests from customers, or specific responses you'd like the bot to give. However, if you don't have this kind of information readily available, that's not a problem. We can certainly help guide you through the process of gathering and structuring this data. Let's move on to the next question. How do you plan to integrate the AI solution into your existing systems, and are there any specific technologies or frameworks you prefer?
Look, lady, I have no fucking idea about AI. Just get the job done.
I apologize if my questions were too technical. I understand that you may not be familiar with all the details of AI integration. Our team will handle the technical aspects and ensure that the voice bot is set up to meet your needs. Now let's discuss the success criteria for this project. How do you measure the success of this project, and what are your expectations from us as your potential AI development/consulting partner?
Yeah, that it works perfectly.
Understood. You're looking for a reliable and efficient voice bot that can handle your calls when you're unavailable. We'll make sure to focus on these aspects during the development process. Thank you for providing all the necessary information. We'll get back to you with a proposal that fits your needs and budget. Is there anything else you would like to discuss?
No, that's it. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a good day.
Bye.
Goodbye. Have a good day.
Okay, so it still needs to learn to hang up the call, because that's gonna cost me a lot when it stays open. Talking about costs, let's publish. I hope I don't lose my fucking information, and then go to, where is it? Where can I see the price? I saw somewhere where I could see the price. Did I print? Yeah, I printed. Never mind. Let's check the price. Price. Account, provider keys, account. Billing? Yeah, of course, billing. So for a whole survey, 7 minutes, it cost me around 94 cents. So that's decent, I guess. Yeah, I mean, an employee costs a lot, but this thing costs a lot as well. But still, yeah, it's not. It only working when it's working. If you know what I mean. Shit, my English is broken right now. That means I need to have another sip. No, fuck. Okay, that's a bug. That's a bug. It's back on Mistral, and everything is gone when I press publish. That sucks, guys. So yeah, we found a bug. Vapi, if you're watching, Vapi, fix the bug when I press publish. Yeah, so let's see what came back anyway. So yeah, it printed the transcript pretty nicely. And so now we need to get that questions and post them into our, make an executive summary. I'm getting a bit tired. What time is it? 10:30. Yeah, let's take a little break and see what we made.